Bye. 1K at din Typhoon. Saon. Ay, akin na yung PWD card mo. This is it! I wanna DTF eh. Din Typhoon. I wanna din Typhoon kaso 1K lang dapat. I'm on a budget, bro. I really want DTF. Love Bonito, Zara. Ay!
I'm wearing Adidas Gazelle. I'm also wearing Calvin Klein. I'm also wearing Apple Studio. I'm wearing Carhartt and just Maison Margiela.
Asan ka?
I'm wearing Zara. I'm wearing also Zara as my top, and then like a cotton, and then also black blue. And then Zara for my socks also.
Ang cup?
Cup is from Calvin Klein.
Oh, diba?
And I'm wearing
What?
I'm sorry.
Hi guys, I'm with Gazi. Nakipagka ba kay long lost friend? Hinahanap po siya ng mga polis matagal na. Hi! Photo. Sure. Siya po magbabudgeting. Dapat 1,000 na rin na. Siyempre yung mura. Doon tayo sa shrimp fried rice. I want this. Yeah. Nonchalant siya. Go, ito total daw. How much? Po, total. Tinanggal namin para ma-1,000 siya. Pwede 2,000 challenge na lang. Uy, sobrang 60. Ay, tama pala. Okay lang po yun. Asa, abi mo PWD card?
Yeah. Mag-a-add sana kami pero may challenge ko na.
No, it's okay. Uy. Thank you. Ay, may...
1,060 to the exact.
Uy, okay lang. May PWD na. Akin na yung PWD card mo. Oh, okay. Ay, nabulan na itong mga card. Thank you. This is it.
Hello guys, and now we're going to Uptown.
So we're going to Uptown. We're here at Uptown already.
Uptown Park Street. Hi, I'm with Nicole. And I'm with Gazi.
Gazi Ganados.
Gazi is wearing
Hindi ba kayo makita? Mabash ko.
I promote them.
Oh, eh! Mama, mom! Sobrang OA!
Go po ka kanyo mo.
Uy, wala pa yung tulog ha? Ay.
To Uptown Residences, and then like we need to pick up something.
What?
And then Hanikoy will stay.
No, we're gonna just sit at the Harlan.
What?
Yeah. He won't let you get the charger. My God, he's so mean. Mean si God. Guys, sorry, hindi namin nakaya yung 1,000 challenge.
Kayang lamig ito.
Diba?
Sige ako na human.
Wala na kayang 1K, uy.
Hindi na human sa mga challenge eh.
Bye. 1K at din Typhoon. Saon. Order pa din. Dili kaya 1,000. Guys, dili kaya 1,000. Uy! Shit, sobrang ng 400. Bill is 1414.61. Thank you. Thank you po.
Alam yung... Asa man nasulot dito?
Ano rin? Dami lagi naginit, bakla.